everybody, it's Rebecca Nochek from Organized Living. We're here today for our first hashtag Fold It Friday live. We're here with our first challengers doing the sock challenge. They each have a jumble of socks, and whoever matches them together and folds them the fastest wins the glory of the sock challenge. Are you guys ready?
Yes, yeah. We're ready.
All right, let's go!
It's stuck to my hand.
Alexis is pulling ahead with her socks.
Done.
And we have a winner!
Thank you.
All right, Alexis is here with me to discuss her winning strategy of folding the socks.
She was a unicorn.
I went for the bright colors first, so I knew which ones to match, and then I went with patterns and then matched up the black ones that were remaining.
Yeah. What's your favorite folding tip that you can give our live watchers now?
Make it as small as you can so you can store a lot.
Perfect. Thank
Okay.
you, Alexis.
Bye, guys.
Way to win. All right, people, our next challenge is here. It is the Assorted Laundry Challenge. Whoever wins everything. Almost. All right, you guys ready? You have all your laundry in ahead of you? Ready? Ready? Go!
Go, Brian, go. Go, Brian, go. Go, Brian, go.
We got Brian coming ahead here. Go, faster, faster!
Come on, Barry.
All right, Barry's kind of pulling ahead. He's got his jeans going.
You're representing the two.
And two the same thing.
Come on, marketing. Don't let us down. We'll all be disappointed.
Kim's pulling
I do not
ahead.
wear shirts like this.
I got one in my house.
The
Later.
final vote! Way to go, competitors. All right, Kim, tell us your winning strategy.
I sabotaged my opponents. I don't even know that they noticed.
Yeah. What's your favorite folding tip that you could give our audience right now?
Fold in, I guess, to the best capacity of the unit that you're folding in.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Way to win. All right. Here's an interesting spin on some towel folding. Everybody has to fold the smallest possible fold for this very bulky towel. We'll see who wins, who knows. It's a steep competition here. All right, you guys ready?
We are.
All right, fold it.
Here we go.
How small can you make it? Let's go. It's not necessarily about speed here, but method.
Smaller.
How do we get it to stay? Okay.
Are you good? All right.
Can't get it to stay.
All right, now the judging begins. I don't think that's the smallest. You've been eliminated. Small, but is it practical? This looks like a folded flag. I think the winner is Jeff. Jeff is the winner.
Good job, Patty.
All right.
Sorry.
So what was your winning method here?
I thought of it as a flag, and I thought of it also as able to store towels in small spaces, and triangles tend to match up well with other triangles.
Perfect. If you could give a folding tip to our audience right now, what would it be?
Just be creative with what you store and how you store it.
Perfect. Thank you. Way to go. All right. Our last challenge is going to be the hardest and most well thought out. We have Teresa Finnegan, the expert sheet folder, Julie, the almost can do it folder, and Jay, we're not really sure about.
Magic with
So,
polka dots.
we are here to find out who can fold a fitted sheet. Not only the fastest, but the best way possible. So, here we go. You guys ready?
We're ready.
Are
Yep.
elbows
All right, let's
frowned
go.
upon?
Fold it! Go!
Lucky I do this every day. Can people make comments that I'm lying when I say that?
Wow, Teresa's almost done. Oh my gosh, that was the fastest in folded history.
I'm still folding, folks.
I think we have a winner. I think it's pretty clear. Teresa Finnegan, the winner. All right, let's get comments with the winner and then. So, what was your strategy here?
I knew where the corners were in the
Yeah.
sheet. That was a big help. And my mom taught me everything I know about folding fitted sheets.
Well, thanks, Mom.
Sheets. Thanks, Mom.
So, if you could give a folding tip to our audience right now, what would it be?
My folding laundry tip is to do it while you watch TV.
Perfect. She gets a lot done. All right, thank you so much.
Thanks,
Way to be a
Rebecca.
winner. All right, guys, we're done here at Folded Friday Live at Organized Living. We're really excited to have you with us, and thanks for joining in. You can watch all of our folded videos on organizedliving.com. See you soon.